A blessed good afternoon to one. Happy Monday, the 30th of August, 2026. We have two cruise ships in the harbor today. We have a Celebrity and a Norwegian. See them right in the harbor. Celebrity Accent and a Norwegian. You see them right there in the harbor. Take a look at the BVI. We have sun today. Sun hatting today. Today is a sunny day in the BVI. You hear rooster crowing? The rooster ain't crowing. Yeah, rooster crowing. Just listen to the rooster crowing, okay? This won't be a long video, okay? Short and sweet. So don't forget to look me up at my YouTube channel, Ada the Lover. Like, subscribe, and share. God love you, and so do I. Okay, guys? So right now we have two safari up there with tourists. You see some of the tourists are them outside and one pass already. You see them there? So that is a lookout where the tourists just come and look back over town and see the ship in the harbor. Back up. Okay, guys? Yeah. So that's it. So that's the two cruise ship. See the two cruise ship right there? Look at the BVI. See the beautiful BVI? Okay, guys. Take care. Bye-bye, folks. God love you, and so do I. Bye-bye.